Today an exciting K 2019 comes to an end. On behalf of the entire WITTMANN group, I would like to thank you very much for your time, for your visit and for your interest. I'm also very grateful to our staff who has made this such a flawless and successful show. All that's left for me right now is to thank you again and to wish you a happy and a successful last day at the show. And don't forget one thing, enjoy our innovations. Thank you very much.
Here we are to talk about water flow regulators. It's the oldest product line in the lineup from the WITTMANNs since Sorry, let's cut that and try something else. Hello, we're going to talk about water flow regulators. It's a natural thing.
Yes.
Goodbye. Water flow regulators, our oldest product line in the product line. And how you doing? And I'm going to be back all day with if you get me a cocktail, you'll do this a lot better. We've done too much on the water flow regulator. That's a lot of syllables. And action. Yo! Regulators.
Water flow regulators, you do the inflow, but
yep,
a little bit more.
Water flow regulators have been with us. It's really, I'm blown up. I've got a stigma now. Where's those shots, those little blue shots?
Get you some.
Thank you, David. As we all know, thank you, David.
Energy efficiency is a big opportunity and also a big issue with drying materials. So,
could you start again?
Yeah.
Because you just looked away, that didn't...
Well, I saw an earthquake happening around.
Oh.
Our wait staff that have been helping everybody out. And, oh, is that a truck going by? Very nice. He started up the engine and caught me off guard. Like, okay, we're moving.
Our staff who has made this such a flawless event. I hope we could be of service to you, and all that's left for me right now is to wish you a very good and successful last day at the show. And don't forget, enjoy our innovations.